What's up, Roxes? Today we're gonna play Water in Thomas and Friends. These are Thomas and Friends track. These are Thomas and Friends. We have a bunch of them. There's some all dirty in there, so we're gonna wash them into this track. So let's get started. But first, let's get in this next. So let's go with Percy next. I have this big thing going. Ready, set, go. Oh, let's try again because I was cheating. Oh no, let's try again. Oh, there's some water. Oh, it came, but the camera just got wet. Easy one is very cool. Let's just clean the wheels because it's not okay. There it is. There is the cleaning. Well, I did get a towel for these. This is his brother, and this is Tom. This is Thomas. This is his brother Thomas. Let's go with the Thomas first. I'll just get. Oh, let's go ahead with Thomas now. Let's go over the brother next time. No. Later I will do it. Look at this. Needs more practice. Let's go. This next. I just colored it. Oh, every day is really cool. Let's clean it up. But we need to clean next one. Whoa, the vase. Oh yeah, the vase is coming off. There's a red marker on that. Look, the face. Look how much there's red marker coming off on his face. Yes, it came off by himself. It's clean. It's not dirty though, but it's clean though. Let's go with this ugly one. I don't like this Ritter, but I like James. It's not even wet. So the wet that's not good. I'm not gonna get the easy one color. Oh no! Let's take this off because this is not good. This is.
When you're about to upload to YouTube, can you give it to me? Because I have to write in the description box.
What's a description box?
So.
I'm not.
Please let me upload it. I have to write the title. After all the other things, make sure you subscribe. Can I do that stuff?
What's subscribe?
So,
can you stop? I don't want to. Can you please not do it? I don't want to. I said I don't want to do it, but it's okay. Well, look at this. It's red. Needs to dry for 3 minutes. Oh, Jace, stop. Oh no. Guys, this is so cool. Look at this. It's all wet. Clean it up. Let's go dash this time. Oh, that's a so big splash and I go. Wow. That's fair. I just. They're a little bit wet. But the Percy was just getting wet. Look at his wheels. Alright. No, this is not gonna. Oh, oh, jeez, I'm not even doing some storages. Oh. Guys, did you see this? His face is wet. I'm gonna. I didn't go with Victor this time, but I went this. Let's go with this next. Red wheels. Oh! Guys, look how the weather. Guys, so make sure to like this video.com. If you want to play this more awesome games, go and so bye.